This is a miniature of a famous Chinese painting that I imitated using high-temperature enamel. Watch the discoloration process carefully. Isn't it amazing? Hello everyone, I am Lin. Welcome to my jewelry channel. Today I try to combine the famous Chinese painting, 1,000 Miles of Rivers and Mountains, with modern jewelry. I hope that the jewelry you wear is not just a cold metal object, but the epitome of a culture or Oriental aesthetics. Thousands of Miles of Rivers and Mountains comes from the Northern Song dynasty. The works of 18-year-old genius Wang Ximeng have been popular for nearly 1,000 years. It has been collected by more than 20 emperors of China, now in the Palace Museum in Beijing. I will use a high-temperature enamel process to mimic the colors of the painting. The reason why the original painting has not changed color after thousands of years is because the painting materials at that time were natural pigments such as gold, stone, and turquoise. High-temperature franks also have the property of not discoloring for thousands of years. I hope to inherit this volume of Chinese color. I made a large mountain ornament, as well as mountain-shaped pendants, earrings, and bracelets. In today's video, I'll share with you the entire production process. I hope you like it, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel.